I am Mrs. Seema Devendra Sonone. Today we have to learn about the math subject standard 4th. Student, we know some name of the geometrical figures. For example, circle. This is a bangle. Bangle have a circular shape. Also we know that the square. This is a square. And also we know the rectangle. This is a rectangle. And next is a triangle. This is a triangle. We know that in previous year we have to learn about this. Now today we have to learn our first chapter, geometrical figures, and we learn about the angles. We learn about the angles. Look at the pictures. Okay, first picture here. We see angles between the ground and the slide. Here, this is a ground and this is a slide. Here, this is the angle between the ground and the slide. Here, the ladder makes an angle with the ground. This is a ladder. Ladder make an angle with the ground. Now, we see angles between the tree trunk and its branches. Tree trunk and its branches. These are the angles. There is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. This is the electric pole and this is the ground. Here, this is the angle between the electric pole and the ground. In our surrounding, there are in various types of angle we find in the other things. Okay. Now there are three types of angles. There are three types of angle. First is right angle, second is acute angle, and third is the obtuse angle. First is right angle, second is acute angle, and third is obtuse angle. See here, this is a window. We see a right angle between two adjoining sides of the window. This is the adjoining side of window. This one side and this is one side. This side the adjoining side of the window. Here is a angle. Angle between adjoining side of a window. It is a right angle. It is a right angle. Also, the two adjacent side of a book make a right angle. Two adjacent side of a book make a right angle. Now we know the clock. See here, this is a clock. In a clock at 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, the minute hand, this is the minute hand, and the hour hand, it is a hour hand, are at right angle to each other. Are at right angle to each other. And for your information, I tell you, right angle is always 90 degree. Right angle is always 90 degree. The measure of right angle is always 90 degree. In the picture alongside, there is a right angle between the two blades of a scissor. This is a scissor and these are the blades of the scissor. In the picture alongside, there is a right angle. This is a right angle between the two blades of the scissor. As we reduce the distance between the tips of the blade, as we reduce the distance between the tips of the blade, little by little, the angle between the blades grows smaller than the right angle. The angle between two blades is smaller than the right angles. Then an angle which is smaller than right angle is called an acute angle. It is the definition of acute angle. An angle which is smaller than right angle is called an acute angle. But as we increase the distance between the tips of the blade, if we increase the distance between the tips of the blades, the angle between the blades grows bigger than the right angle. Bigger than the right angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Is called an obtuse angle. Here we see the clock. Observe this picture. Here 3 o'clock. In clock at 3 o'clock, here it is a right angle. It is a right angle between the minute hand and hours hand. Here it is smaller than right angle, so it is an acute angle, and this angle is bigger than the right angle, so it is